This video is going to show you how to make German chocolate cheesecake. You will need 2 boxes of instant pudding chocolate. You need 2 boxes of cream cheese softened. You need 2 already baked pie crusts. You need 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 container of whipped topping, and 5 cups of milk. So first you cream the cream cheese in the mixer. Do it on low till it gets nice and soft and creamy. Okay, once it's creamy, we're going to add the confectioner's sugar and the pudding. This is make sure you have instant pudding. You can get any brand of pudding, just as long as it's instant. Boxes of that, 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. That's 1, that's 2. Then we're going to put in the cocoa, 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to mix this very slowly, so we don't want to wear it. Just pulse it for a little bit. So turn it on high all of a sudden, then you're going to wear it. I'm going to just pulse it a little bit. Then we're going to put the 5 cups of milk in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. You start out slow. We're just going to mix that up so it's nice and creamy. After mixing for about 5 minutes, it's starting to get nice and thick. And that's what you want. After it's all starting to get nice and stiff like pudding, we're going to add a cup of coconut. I'm going to mix that in. Okay, once that's nice and mixed in there, then our last step is our container of Cool Whip. You're not going to beat this hardly at all, because all you want it to do is mix in with the pudding. You don't want to beat it a bunch. You just want it folded into the pudding mixture. And that is 1 container of whipped topping. Okay. And we're going to mix that in there very lightly. Just so it's incorporated. You don't want it whipped hard, you just want it incorporated in there. Just fold it in just a wee little bit. Once it's all mixed in pretty good, Only takes maybe 20 times around. So it's nice and mixed up in there. Okay, rest we're going to do with the spatula because I don't want it mixed up too much because we don't want to take the air out of the Cool Whip. So once you get beater and everything cleaned off, you just stir the rest of it up by hand, just folding it in. Once you get all your Cool Whip folded into your mixture, then we're ready to put it in our already baked pie crust. This should be enough to make 3 pies. Just kind of proportion it evenly through the 3. Then just smooth it out into the pie crust. So it's nice and even. We're going to make a topping for our German chocolate cheesecake, and you need 1 jar of caramel topping that you use on ice cream. You need 2 ounces of pecan pieces and 1/2 cup of coconut. So this is the caramel. Then we're going to add the coconut to it and our pecans. Then we're going to just mix that all together to make our topping for our German cheesecake. Again, this is 1 jar of the caramel topping for ice cream, 2 ounces of pecans, and 1/2 cup of coconut. Then we're just going to put it right on top of our German chocolate cheesecake. And then we'll refrigerate this cheesecake for about 2 to 3 hours, or overnight's even better. You just take it by the spoonfuls and just kind of drizzle it on there. Then when you refrigerate it, make sure you put a cover over it. If you don't have a regular pie covering cover, then you can use one of these microwave dish plate covers. See, it just fits right on there. You put it right in the refrigerator. Refrigerate it 2 to 3 hours or overnight, and then it's ready to eat. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and enjoy your German chocolate cheesecake.